Look, I don't write almost any book which is planned or intended. The book about perspective, I told you, I wrote because I was pushed. And then that's the book from Abulafia, that's the PhD. When I started to write the book on the Golem, I didn't intend to write the book on the Golem at all. But there was an exhibition in New York. So I wrote for the catalog, it was too long for the catalog. So they took apart, and I said, okay, I should write a little bit more, it's going to be a small book. But I didn't intend to write a book on the Golem.
I hear you.
That is quite, I can demonstrate it. So also other books emerged out of lectures, which I was invited and I didn't initiate it, like the book on Hasidism. So it was in Harvard. There was a conference, I believe, in 88, on Hasidism. So I wrote a long article. I was published, a part of it, in 91. So I thought, okay, I should work a little bit. So it became a bigger book, but without a conference at Harvard. I don't know. Almost all my books can be explained by accident.
You say it's accidental,
yes.
But I'm very, very glad that it happened, because I for one, and many, many hundreds of people, have been benefactors of your really great work.
Yes, but you must see the background. The background was not to change the course of scholarship in Hasidism. But just a lecture I gave at Harvard, and it was long, and I published a part, and then it was a pity that the other part should not be published. So I should work a little bit more, and then I worked and it became a book. But it was 86. I wouldn't say that I am going to write a book on Hasidism.